It's not quite right. The word, it needs to be precise, sharp, inevitable.
Looking for the bon mot again?
Always. A sentence is like a good balance sheet. It must account for everything. No excess, no waste. The wrong word is like an error in the books. It throws off the whole piece.
Economy of language and economy of finance both demand discipline.
Same for the climate. The ocean keeps a strict budget. Mass, momentum, energy, every input and output must be tracked. Miss something and the model fails. Ignore it too long and nature does the accounting for you.
A budget for the sea?
Each patch of ocean is like a bank account. Water moves in, water moves out. Heat accumulates, spreads out. Salt concentrates, diffuses. These exchanges must be tracked across every grid cell, just as a banker tracks deposits and withdrawals.
An honest balance sheet then. But what happens when it doesn't balance?
Chaos, ice sheets collapse, currents shift, tipping points arrive. Gradually, then suddenly.
Gradually, then suddenly, that's it. That's the phrase.
Sounds familiar.
Because it's true. It's how men go broke. It's how empires fall. And now you're telling me it's how the ocean changes too.
That's right. Look at ice melt. I am a little every year, barely noticeable. Then, one day a threshold is crossed. The feedbacks kick in, the balance tips, and suddenly it's too late.
Reminds me of market crashes. Liquidity is there until it isn't.
The sea is a bank, and the ice its slow withdrawal.
A fine metaphor, Ernest, but remember, nature doesn't grant bailouts.
Then here's to keeping the books in order before it's too late.
En route to change room, the weather's playing coy, whispering secrets that no one can enjoy. Carbon footprints mark the cobblestone joy. Smoggy vibes trying hard to destroy. Bankers in their suits, sipping on their wine. Futures in their ledgers, drawing crooked lines. Stocks and bonds whisper currency divine in smoky rooms where the clocks decline. Oh la la, the air feels heavy tonight. City lights dimmed, sinking out of sight. But moon can't fix the world's big fight. Oh la la, we're fighting the good fight. Cafes bustling with heated conversations. Glaciers melting, strong insinuations. Politicians talking half-hearted relations, while the same dreams of clear water transformations. Every cobble screams a historical charm, yet the future's grip feels like gentle harm. Bank vaults echo dreams to keep us warm, as we navigate through this perfect storm. Oh la la, the air feels heavy tonight. City lights dimmed, sinking out of sight. One more can fix the world's big plight. Oh la la, we're fighting the good fight. Every cobble screams a historical charm, yet the future's grip feels like gentle harm. Bank vaults echo dreams to keep us warm, as we navigate through this perfect storm.